Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Auth0 for secure login in no-code apps, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To start, visit the Auth0 website at auth0.com. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a secure password that meets the required criteria. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create an Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Auth0. Open the verification email and click on the link provided to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Auth0 website. Log into your new Auth0 account using the email and password you registered. You will be taken to the Auth0 dashboard. In the dashboard, locate that Applications section on the left sidebar. Click on Applications to view your existing apps or create a new one. To create a new application, click the Create Application button. You will need to select the type of application you are building. Choose single-page web applications if you are building a no-code app. After selecting the application type, give your application a name. Click the Create button to save your new application. You will be directed to the Application Settings page. Here, note down your domain and client ID, as you will need these later. Scroll down to find the Settings section. Make sure to configure the callback URL to direct users back to your app after login. Save any changes you make by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom. Next, head to the API section from the left sidebar. Click on Create API to set up an API for your application. Fill in the required fields, including the name and identifier for the API. Select the appropriate signing algorithm, typically RS-256. Click the Create button to finalize your API setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.